There's a fucking black scorpion in my room, and I will try to catch it. That's my zodiac sign there, right there. Hopefully, he'll get in out a little bit from the corner. Tapos sasakluban ko nito. Hindi ko alam kung gaano siya kalakas, no? Baka maano niya to, may angating. It's really huge, man. See? Whoa. Oh shit, it is strong. I think it can lift this one up.